Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and as promised, here's your Valentine's special. Today we'll be tapping into your partner's energy and see how they're really truly feeling about you. Whether you guys are sitting in the same house or your countries and miles apart, what's really under that surface which they're not showing you, they're not telling you. If you're wondering, here it is. So let's begin. And these are general collective readings. Aquarius will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind and take what works for you and just leave the rest. So, my angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Aqua gang and send them the messages from their partner. Thank you. So, Aquarius, today we will not be taking an angel blessing card because I've already pulled one out for you. And this card is from the universe, my angels, and me here at Omkara, sending you lots of love on this beautiful day of Valentine's. So, with that said, now let's begin. Let's start opening your cards. Just 3 cards here, Aquarius, which we are going to then clarify and then take some dialogue message cards. 8 of Wands. All right. There's movement here, Aquarius, or at least that's what is the underlying issue of communication. So let's put this here and see why that's here. First card, the King of Pentacles, the Devil, and the 8 of Pentacles. All right. Somebody is planning to walk away. King of Pentacles spirit. Yes, this person is kind of not very satisfied at the moment, feeling they want to be in that position of power. They want to feel like the perfect spouse, the perfect partner, but right now this person is feeling rather neglected, feeling bored, feeling abandoned, not having any wish fulfillment. And the devil is here. Why is the devil here, spirit? Why is the devil here? They're obsessing about the fact that they want some communication with you, but you may be holding back here. They want a reconciliation with you, they want to communicate with you. They're a bit fearful that if they do request you for a reconciliation, you may just hold back. And that scare is there, maybe, or they're afraid because maybe you've walked away from them. 8 of Pentacles. Yes, they see you as their equal counterpart, but they also see that even though you guys had a very good connection here, you walked away from it, or things have totally come to a ending here. Oops, sorry, too many cards. So one more card, spirit, for the 10 of Swords. Yes, this person is feeling very down and out, feeling you snuck away from their life, or you're planning to. They are desperately wanting communication. They see you as their equal counterpart. They see you holding back, and as much as they want to communicate with you, they feel things are totally over and you've left the building and no longer interested in fighting for the connection. They're feeling as if the tower has blown apart in their life. They're feeling their whole life has exploded, knowing that their perfect partner has decided to walk away from them, it seems. So what's this 8 of Wands, spirit? Communication. They are now realizing what they want to say to you, Tara. Aquarius, right now, is they want to communicate to you that yes, they are realizing their own toxic behavior. They realize that they did not giving equally to the connection, maybe in the past. Maybe they were behaving like a trickster, or tried to fool you, or whatever, maybe, and they want to tell you that they were only sitting in their ego and pride at that point. But they do wish to have victory with you, Aquarius. They want to talk to you once again, but they are very afraid that now you're not going to open up to them anymore. So, but they do see you as their equal counterpart, the King of Pentacles to the Queen of Pentacles here. But right now they're going through a huge tower moment because things have ended or somebody's walked away from this equation. They are desperately wanting communication, not sure whether the partner will be open to it. So let's take some messages from their heart. Aquarius' person spirit, if they could say something from their heart, what that would be? Aquarius' person. So the first card here is "You're all I desire." Yes, they were only sitting in their ego and pride when they behaved badly or didn't give equally to the connection. They do want to return, or they want to communicate at least. They want to have this reunion, but they're afraid that you may not be open to it anymore. But they're trying to tell you that, hey, you are all I desire. You see this, we see this from two different perspectives. Maybe that's what the way they've always behaved, like the magician, right? Or tricking you into saying, hey, you're wrong and I'm right and you're wrong. Never kind of being on the same page. So even now, all right. So this is the truth here, Aquarius. Right now they feel their life has absolutely blown apart. This person says, I'm in so much stress right now. And the stress could be because they're not being able to communicate with you, or maybe you walked away from their life. So let's see if the masculine in this equation had to say something to the feminine. What would that be, Spirit? This is the feminine's card. Okay, so one more. I have to prove myself and my life to feel worthy of you. Now they're realizing where they've gone wrong, and they want to communicate, and they want to tell you that I am going to prove myself now, that I am your equal counterpart. Have you moved on with someone else who treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful. Yes, they're worried that their partner's moved on. It's here, right here in the tarot spread. So now this is what they're saying. The masculine is asking from their heart, have you moved on with someone else who treats you better than I did? Now they're realizing they never really treated you the way that you deserved. And that thought is being like, it's almost like it's giving them a chest pain here. It's very, very painful. Their whole life is blowing apart with the thought that they've lost you forever. What would the feminine like to say to the masculine now, Spirit? You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. The feminine maybe never felt safe and secure in this connection. And if the masculine is scared now, feminine says that's the way I've always felt, and maybe that's what's made me move on from this connection. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. Yes, you're both feeling you guys have left each other's life, and if the masculine is hurting, I think the feminine is too at some level. So let's take some true confessions from here. True confessions. I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. Because you guys are not together, you guys have moved away from each other, it seems. You deserve to be loved, and you are very special. Now the realization is coming. I think they always knew it, but their ego and pride maybe came in the middle, and they never treated their feminine right? Sorry for what I've done to you. Karma is kicking my ass now. It's best to part ways. We're not compatible like we used to be. I think this is the feminine who's made up her mind to walk away, saying, what's the point if you're not compatible? So yes, that's what's going on, Aquarius. That's all I have for you. That's all I have for you. I hope it worked for some of you out there. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.